I know, it's a
That would be
strange
the
story.
ultimate burn.
Burn. You were voted out for a goat, my friend.
I feel like that's a Parks and Recreation type of a storyline right there.
Easily.
Oh, man.
Easily.
Well, I don't feel like much would really beat out the weather forecast right now. There's no major storm system coming. You've always heard that phrase, March comes in like a lion, out like a lamb, or a goat in this case, I guess. But it's very tranquil all in all. Again, no major storms. A few disturbances, though, that I do have to track. So this isn't going to be 3 minutes of just boring sunshine. But let's start it off with some sunshine for you. Yeah, sometimes a boring forecast can be quite delightful, right? But this is a beautiful view for us here outside at Cape May. And yeah, it's really quiet at this point, staying that way throughout the day. If you were out at all yesterday, you probably had to deal with some of the wind, and that thankfully is no longer a real concern. You may notice a slight breeze, but we're not talking strong wind at all. And it's nice and clear overhead as well. Beautiful blue sky off in the distance. Looks like one guy or gal is just hanging out, collecting shells, it looks like, here this morning. But it's tough to tell this far out, but I do think he's got his heavier coat on at this point, which is a smart thing. Let's take a look next at what's happening on StormScan, which is really not a lot, and that is wonderful news for the poor folks in the western half of the United States, where we had that huge storm system cross through with feet of snow, tons of flooding issues across many states, and now that is long gone, thank goodness. Don't worry about this front that's trailing off to the south that has no impact on us, but this guy, this disturbance here over Indiana, Illinois is the next, we're not going to call it the next big thing, it's the next thing in the pipeline. And even still doesn't look all that impressive, right? So it's weak in its strength and it's weak in its moisture content, but it is basically working its way due east. So we are in its path and we are going to have at least somewhat of an impact from it. It's a quiet pattern overall, however. As I mentioned at the desk, there's no major storm in sight. This is the next thing to come along. Weak high pressure for now, weak low pressure tonight and into tomorrow. At this point, it's primarily going to be a southern county concern. I'm not ready to rule out that the northmost counties, Poconos, Lehigh Valley, would see something from it. But even if you did, it's not going to amount to much. So you'll end up here with, if any accumulation, it's less than an inch easily. You'll be lucky to get a coating, I think. There's just not a lot to this, but it does move in late tonight and through the morning hours of tomorrow. So morning drive is where my mind immediately goes. How does it impact that? And frankly, I just don't think it'll be much more than a minor nuisance with damp roads left behind, but little, if any, accumulation, like we mentioned, from that snow. The temperature should be generally within the range of the mid-30s, but it has been cold now for a day anyway. So the fact that we had this chilly weekend is going to set us up to potentially have some damp roads or maybe a modest little dusting on the car windshields, and that would really be it. But again, it's mainly the southern counties that'll have to contend with that. Let's jump ahead a few days, talk about the first day of spring. I wish the sky would look this bright on that day. We are probably going to have full sunshine on Wednesday, but technically spring will not get underway with the vernal equinox until just shy of 6 p.m. And then Thursday there is a front that's coming along. More on that in the 7-day. But just right now, this is your deficit from the temperature reading in the last 24 hours. It is a lot colder across, well, everywhere, but especially a place like the Pinelands. It's 20 degrees colder than it was yesterday at the same time, 11 degrees shy of where you'd been yesterday the same time in Philly, and that means it's 35 degrees. The wind is still noticeable, but it's turning more westerly at this point, eventually turning a bit more northerly as the day goes on, but it will remain light, and that's a nice little bonus since we didn't really have a totally windless day yesterday. Sunshine in the forecast, though, just below average. Your high 47. Happy St. Patrick's Day to you. If you got any reveling that you're going to be doing out there today, just make sure you bundle up and you'll be just fine. Later tonight, though, is when those very light rain and snow showers move in, and like I said, it will not amount to much. So it's sort of a drop in the bucket, and then we move on from that point. We do eventually begin a rebound heading into Wednesday and Thursday. Thursday especially, that's your first full day of spring, and it's the warmest day of the pack. Problem is there is a front approaching, so we will have more clouds, and I do think that there's a pretty decent shot that we'll end up with some showers as well. Jan?